Welcome to the show, everyone. I am Molly, and today we are talking about a very special topic, family.
Yes, welcome back. I am Mark. Family is one of the first things we talk about when we meet new friends. Molly, let's start with the basic words. Who is in your family?
Well, in English, we use the word parents for our mother and father. I have two wonderful parents, and I also have two siblings. Siblings is a great word because it just means brothers and sisters.
Ah, siblings. That is a very useful word. So you have two siblings. Are they brothers or sisters?
I have one older brother and one younger sister. So I am right in the middle. What about you, Mark? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
That is a perfect question to ask. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Let's say that again for our listeners. Do you have any brothers or sisters? To answer your question, Molly, no, I do not. I am an only child. That means I have no siblings.
An only child? Wow! So it was just you and your parents. That must have been very quiet.
It was quiet, yes, but very nice. Now, Molly, when beginners talk about their family, they often make one very common mistake. They mix up he and she.
Oh, yes. That happens all the time. Remember, we use he for a boy or a man, like a brother, father, or uncle. And we use she for a girl or a woman, like a sister, mother, or aunt.
Exactly. I often hear people say, I have a brother. She is 20 years old. But a brother is a man, so we must say, I have a brother. He is 20 years old.
That is such an important point. Just take a small pause before you speak to check if you need he or she. It helps a lot.
Now that we know the names for family members, how do we describe them? We can use simple adjectives. For example, my father is very kind. Kind means he is nice and helps other people.
That is lovely. My mother is very busy. She works a lot and always has things to do. Busy is a great word for family members who have lots of plans. And my brother is very funny. He makes everyone laugh.
I love that. Another phrase people use a lot is, we are close. Molly, what does it mean when someone says, my family is very close?
It does not mean we live next door to each other, though we can. We are close means we love each other. We talk a lot and we support each other. It is about a strong relationship.
That is a beautiful way to explain it. We also talk about who we live with. For example, I live with my wife, or I live with my parents.
Yes! Let's show our listeners how this all comes together in a real conversation. Let's do a quick natural role play.
Perfect. I will start.
Hey, Molly.
Do you have a big family?
Not too big, Mark. I have one brother and one sister. We are very close.
That is nice. What is your sister like?
She is very funny and creative. She loves to paint. Do you live with your family, Mark?
Oh, I live alone in Chicago, but I call my parents every Sunday. They are very busy, but we always talk.
That is wonderful. And that is the end of our role play. You see, it is very simple to talk about your family in English.
It really is. Just practice using those simple words. Brother, sister, parents, and simple describing words like kind, busy, and funny.
And don't worry about making mistakes with he and she at first. Just keep practicing. Thank you for listening today, everyone. Tell us about your family in the comments.
Yes, we love reading your comments. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.